Mastering GATE 2025, your ultimate guide to success. Feeling lost in a sea of GATE information? Dive into our comprehensive guide to unlock the secrets of GATE 2025. We'll navigate through crucial dates, syllabus changes, and key updates right here. No more missing pages, only clear, actionable insights that drive your success. Mark your calendars. With the upcoming GATE 2025, it's crucial to keep track of the exam dates. Early preparation gives you a head start. Ensure you're aware of all the important deadlines to maximize your study time and minimize last-minute stress. The GATE 2025 syllabus comes packed with new opportunities and challenges. Understanding these updates is vital for targeted preparation. We'll break down the changes, helping you focus your studies on what matters most and keep you ahead of the competition. Join the vibrant 2THUB community for exclusive insights and support. Connect with peers, access shared resources, and participate in study groups. Take advantage of a network designed to elevate your preparation, ensuring you're not just studying, but thriving. 2THUB isn't just a platform, it's your partner in success. Discover how our platform supports graduates and teachers alike, offering unparalleled resources, guidance, and motivation to conquer GATE 2025. Leverage our tools for an optimized and efficient study plan. Stay one step ahead. Being informed means being prepared to adapt swiftly to changes. We'll provide tips to help you keep up with all updates, ensuring no opportunity slips by. With the right information, you'll maintain a strategic advantage. A strategic study plan is your roadmap to success. We'll share expert advice on structuring your study sessions, focusing on effective learning techniques, and avoiding common pitfalls. Our goal is to ensure your study plan is as effective and impactful as possible. Learn from real success stories and testimonials from past GATE winners. Gain insights into their strategies, challenges, and triumphs. These stories are not just motivation, they're your blueprint for success, inspiring and guiding your journey. Ready to take the first step towards mastering GATE 2025? Join 2THUB today for exclusive access to resources and a supportive community that's dedicated to your success. Don't let opportunity pass you by. Connect, prepare, and succeed with 2THUB.